To remove an account, you simply have to go to your user section, select the account that you want to remove, and on the right side on the action buttons, you will see a delete button. You can click on it. It's going to prompt you to confirm, and you can hit delete, and the account has been successfully deleted. If the account is a full account, all their data stored in managed storage is going to be removed. So in case you want to save that data but recover a license it, you want to mark that account as disabled so the data stays there, but it's not actually an active account. For example, you can grab our recently created account, Ian Miller, edit it, and we're going to change from full to disable. As you can see here, everything gets disabled and we save it here, and disabled accounts are going to show in red.